What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the ALLPOWERS 600 watt portable power station. So with the summertime being here, a lot of people are outside camping, fishing, just doing whatever you're doing outside. This is going to be perfect for those events and times. So this is a 600 watt power station. You can power up to 10 different appliances with this. You're going to have two AC outlets that are 110 volt, 600 watts, 1200 watts peak. You get two USB-C ports. You're going to get two USB-A ports. You're going to get one DC out port and one cigarette lighter, 12 volt, 10 amp port as well. And then you're going to get 15 watts of wireless charging as well. So this is going to power up things like your laptops, your car refrigerator, charge up your drones, and all other outdoor electronics that you may need to use as well. So here's the packaging that it comes in. You guys can see a drawing, I would say, of the device there. This is going to weigh about 12 pounds or somewhere in that range. And let's take a look at some of the other specs here. Big box. So they had a label over the top of this, and I had to try and get the label off. So here's some of the specifications. As you guys see, pause that and read it yourself right there. So let's go ahead and get this box open, and we'll go over some more features of this after we get it open. So let's go ahead and cut this open here. And this is my first time working with this company. This is something that I'm pretty excited about. Here in Louisiana, we have the hurricane season coming up, so this would be something, if your power goes out, something to have in case for emergencies like that as well. So here's the first thing in the box. You're going to get your warranty information here, claim your warranty. So you got a lot of paperwork in here. Let's take this piece out here. Alright, so this whole top comes off. Let's see if anything is in here. So nothing in there. Alright. So we got a bag here. Let's see what's in this bag. Pretty big box here. Let's get this unzipped. All right, here we go. Struggle was real there for a second. So you're going to get your solar panel charger. Get that in the box. Now, they did not send out a solar panel, but you can charge this with solar panel. And you get a nice bag here with ALLPOWERS on it. You're also going to get your AC charger as well. So let me go ahead and grab this out of the box and we'll come right back. All right, guys, so here's everything that you get in the box. You're going to get your two charging cables, your warranty paperwork, and a bag to keep everything in. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the portable charging station. All right, guys, so we're back in. Here's the device. 12 pounds, made out of all plastic, does have a carrying handle. On the top right here, this is your wireless charging port, 15 watt output. Going around the front of it, you got your two DC out, you got your cigarette lighter out here, 12 volts, 10 amps, got your LCD display, you got your light switch right here. This is a light, this is your power switch to turn the unit on. You're going to have your two 600 watt, 120 volt AC outlets that are covered up. Nice cover on there. They have their own power switch to turn these two on. And at the bottom of this, I'm going to show you guys, it says pure sine wave. So that means this is clean power coming in and out. Well, that shouldn't affect your devices that you plug in. You got your two USB ports here, 100 watts. You got your two USB-A, 18 watts, says DC out. They also have their own power switch right here as well. So that's the front of it. Got ventilation on this side. Nothing on the back. This side, more ventilation. This is where you're going to charge it. You got your AC right here. You got your solar panel. And then you have a circuit breaker in there as well. That is that. So on the bottom of it, you do have some rubberized feet. And you have some more specs, things that we talked about right there, that you can pause and read yourself if you would like. So that is the unit. So let's talk about the battery a little bit more. Here's a little illustration here. So this is a lithium ion phosphate battery. They call it the Life PO4. You can charge this up to 3,500 times. Some other specs about this. This has increased power out, faster charging, reduced weight, longer life, and the battery will not catch on fire from what I read. So as you guys see, 6 times longer. All of the other things there, high temperature protection, low temperature protection, over discharge protection, overcharge protection, overload protection, short circuit protection, and overcurrent protection. So a lot of different things about the device right there, about the battery. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So one button to turn it on, and you're going to see you got your 55%, which is the battery charge level right now. You got your input percentage there, your output, and then it tells you about 4 hours before this thing will die. And then you have a Bluetooth indicator right there, because this does have an app that you can use. So looking at this right here gives you some more information about what everything's going to be for when we get this thing charged, plugged in with some devices. All right, so let's go ahead and get some stuff to try out with this next. Okay, guys, before we plug any devices into this to the power station, let's take a quick look at the app. So the app is called ALLPOWERS. You can download this from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you open it up, I'm going to show you what the screen looks like before it's connected. So this is the screen that you're going to get to right here. When you first open the app up, it's going to give you some instructions there. You tap next. Then you're going to scan for a device here. But being that I've already connected mine, it's not going to show. So I'm going to go back to my device that I already have hooked up. Now this is the page that you get. You're going to get your battery percentage, your reigning time on there, and the name of it up here. You got your input and your output. You got your 2 AC controls here. You remember I told you there's some buttons on the front, so I can turn those on remotely here. So let's go ahead and press this. You hear the fan temporary runs, and you see the green light on for the AC outlets. I can also do the same thing for the DC outlets, which is going to be your Type-C, your USB, and your 12-volt. Turn those back off. Now, cover your eyes or turn away, because I'm going to turn on the little LED light. It's pretty bright. Didn't show you guys that earlier, so I can control that as well. You can set it at 50 hertz or 60 hertz as well. And then we got the little menu up here. You go into this, you can see you can have it in work mode or standard mode, mute mode, standard mode, or fast mode. I don't think the work mode is going. You got ECO mode, and then you got timer right here as well. You can set it to run for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 6 hours, and then it will shut down. So that is pretty much the app there. Then you got the me section over here. Posts, fans, and attention. You can name this. You can set an avatar as well. You can change the theme. You have a help section. You can go to light or dark. I like the light, the dark. And then you got your about section here as well. So pretty robust app, pretty nice. So let's go ahead now and plug in some devices and try it out. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have a few devices here, 4 of them. Going to start off with this light. So with my case, this is going to be, I would use something like this more for emergency power outages and stuff like that, since I'm not a camper or anything. So I would be powering up and charging devices like my Google Pixel 7 Pro, my tablet, my iPad mini, and my iPhone. So let's go ahead and try out the wireless charging port first and see if it works. Now it works. You just have to get the phone in the right position here. There it is, as you guys see. it is charged. Let's go ahead and plug in the tablet over here. See if we can get this going as well. So there it is. It is charging the Samsung tablet. Let's go ahead and get the iPad mini going as well. Now this is type C. And as you guys see, let's do that one more time. I'm going to turn the display off. And it is charging, and that's also do the iPhone. So if you got a power outage and you need power to charge a lot of things, bumpy cam, let's go ahead and get the iPhone. And the iPhone is charging as well. So I'm going to see how much power it is actually using right now. Trying to leave the phone on top. So it is using about 39 watts right now, just with those 4 going, and that is plenty of power to charge those up. So we're going to go ahead and go to some bigger devices and try that out next. All right, guys, so another device that you may want to use, or appliance that you may want to use, is a box fan. If your power's out, or if you're out at a camp or somewhere, you may want to have your box fan plugged in. So I have one right here. Let's go ahead and try it out. Have it plugged in. So I'm going to start it off on its lowest setting first. That's 1. And it is running the fan. Bring the display back up. Got about 40 watts right there. 48 watts. Let's go ahead output. So let's go ahead and go up to the next setting. That's the second speed. It goes up to about 57 watts. And then we're going to go to the highest speed. Look like it's running about 63 watts. So running a fan is not going to be an issue. So let's try something like a light next. All right, guys, so I've plugged in a lamp. This just has I think it's a 100 watt bulb in it. And I also have the box fan still plugged in. So let's go ahead and turn on the box fan. Going to put it on about 2, the second highest level. Let's go ahead and turn on the light. So it is running the light and the box fan. And let's see how much it's using. About 75 watts output right there. So you should be able to run this, and I'm going to turn it on its highest speed. The fan goes up to about 82 watts. So that's not going to be an issue. At 82 watts, you'll still be able to charge your phone, your laptop, or a tablet or something like that, because this is 600 watts. So you can play around with different devices and appliances as well. So I got one more test that I want to try, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, guys, so the last thing I want to try here, if you're someone who works out, maybe a lawn service, or where you need to use your power tools remotely, then I have my lawnmower battery here. You guys see it's a 40 volt battery, co-volt, and we're going to see if this will charge it with the charger here. So as you guys see, it is charging the battery. So if you're someone who works, lawn service, or just maybe a carpenter, or someone that just need to have a way to charge their batteries up for their tools, then this will work here. And it's putting about 72 watts out for charging that up. So just a few examples, man. Let's go ahead and finish the video. All right, guys, so this has been my look at the ALLPOWERS R600 portable power station. As you guys see, it is a very, very nice portable power station. Comes with a 5-year warranty as well. And like I said, it's very lightweight and portable. It also has the UPS feature. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. That's where it would have, if the power grid goes out, you'll have continuous power. Within 10 milliseconds, it's going to keep going, protecting your laptops and things like that you may have plugged in. You got 10 ports on here, so plenty of ways to charge different devices and appliances. You got 3 ways to charge it: solar power with the solar panels. I'll leave a link where you can go pick those up on their website. You can charge it by AC, and it'll charge within an hour with AC, and you can also charge it in your car as well. You got app support on this as well, and it also has great safety features included as well. $299 is not a bad deal at all. Definitely will leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Comes with your charging cable, your solar panel cable, and a nice carrying bag over there as well. So Will H, I'm out.